I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Okay, so today we will be doing the roll and save. We will be stuffing my sinking funds, which is my birthday binder. I am saving up for my birthday next year, which is June 23rd. And each of those envelopes, I have birthday, hair, hygiene, miscellaneous, nails, perfume, self-care, and shopping. They all have a purpose and they all have cash that is stuffed in them. We did have $15 left over from my previous roll and save. If you have not watched that video, I will be sure to leave it up above. And let's just count to make sure the money is accurate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Also, we have our dice here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the dice, and whichever money that comes upright, that is the amount that I will stuff in each envelope. Again, for me, if I can't fill all envelopes with the money that I have here, that's fine, because eventually I'll be able to fill the envelopes. But each time that I play this game, whatever amount I started with, the goal is for me to finish that amount. Okay, so once I'm done with the $15 here, then I'll set a new budget amount. I want to show you guys that no matter how much money you have, you're still able to save something. Also, don't get discouraged if you're not able to fill every single envelope. You'll have an opportunity, as long as you keep saving, to fill those envelopes again. Okay, so before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on our road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all, and see how much we can put in birthday. Birthday automatically gets $6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next we have hair, $3. So 1, 2, 3. Next we have hygiene, $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's hope we get lucky and miscellaneous can get $1, but we'll see. Nope, it has $6, so I'm gonna roll it again. I'll do it like 3 times. $6 again, and if I don't get it, then guess what? I'll just say, I got it. This is the second time where I've done this and I've gotten the $1. So I'll roll it 3 times and see if I can hit the number that we have left over, and if not, then I'll just take that money for our next cash stuffing. So as you can see, I no longer have any more money left to cash stuff for the next round of roll and save, and that's okay, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over my budget, see how much I can put to the side to cash stuff, and we'll start all over again. All right, so we're going to go ahead and count the money in each envelope and see how much we have. So for birthday, I have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So what's going to happen is next week, I'll be sure to go to the bank and do a cash exchange. So for like my 5, 10s, $20 denominations, that way I'm not stuck with having so many ones, right? So we'll do that next week. Okay, so for hair, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. And also, as I stated, at the end of the video, I will be sure to put the total amount that we have saved in each envelope. So please watch until the end and let's see what we have. So now hygiene, we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25, $26, $27, $28. $28 for hygiene. Now, I must admit, I am going to try to do some shorts playing this game. So there may be times where after we do the total save, the amount may increase. And you'll be like, if you're following along, you'll be like, well, how did it jump from this number to that number? Please be sure to keep an eye out on my shorts. So when filming these YouTube videos, the long forms, I had to film these horizontally, so the camera is facing, you know, obviously horizontal. And then since I only have one camera, I mean, I have my phone camera, but I prefer to use my Canon camera. When it's time to do my shorts, then I have to turn it to a vertical angle. So when doing these videos and I'm bulk filming, I have to move the camera in 2 different positions. So with that said, I will have to redo a whole new cash stuffing, or like when I'm doing the penny savings challenge, when I end the video on like maybe 45 cents that I've cash stuffed, I then have to, in my shorts, start from 46 cents and upward. So just if you can, if you are following along the playlist that I've created, you guys will see that it will add up. You may not have seen the long form video of me adding more money because I've added it in my shorts, and vice versa. Alrighty, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and I think I left off on $1. Yeah, $1. And add this to miscellaneous. So now we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20 in miscellaneous. And we're just going to keep on counting. Although these other envelopes didn't get any love this time around, we're still going to keep counting. We're going to continue to count it. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 in nails. Perfume, we have $15. Self-care, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Shopping, we still have $20. Alrighty, so that is all for today. If you like these type of videos, again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must trust the process, start with what we have, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.